In this lesson, we will learn a nika connector. It also means because. So it's very similar to ki temune or asa also, but it is different in the sense that it is used with the verb endings seo or upshida mostly. So when you are making a request or when you are proposing something, only then you use nika. So for example, 비가 오니까 우산을 가지고 가세요. Because it's raining, since it's raining, 우산을 가지고 가세요. Carry the umbrella. Carry the umbrella because it's raining. So here the ending is 세요. You are suggesting something to someone or you are giving instruction or command. In that case, you will use nika. 재영 씨는 지금 없으니까 나중에 다시 전화하세요. 재영 지금 없어요. 지금 없으니까 나중에 다시 전화하세요. So again, you are giving some instruction, some suggestion to someone that please call again as 재영 is not here right now. 내일 휴일이니까 같이 등산합시다. As it's a holiday tomorrow, let's go for trekking. 휴일이니까 because the last verb ending is upshida. So we use nika.